Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we look at France, a country known for Paris, the Eiffel Tower, and its rich history of art, culture and philosophy. With more than 65 million people, France has long been connected to Christianity, especially Catholicism. Islam came to France centuries ago through trade, migration and historic contact with North Africa. In modern times, a large number of Muslims settled in France after World War II, especially from Algeria, Morocco and Tunisia. Today, France has the largest Muslim population in Europe, with more than 6 million Muslims, making Islam the second largest religion in the country. The Grand Mosque of Paris, built in 1926, stands as a symbol of faith and unity, and every year thousands of French people accept Islam. Christianity remains the majority faith, with about 45% of French people identifying as Catholic. However, secularism, atheism and no religion are growing rapidly, now making up more than 40% of the population. The growth of Islam in France is remarkable. In the 1960s, there were only few thousand Muslims. By 1990, the number had passed 3 million. In 2010, it had reached nearly 5 million. And by 2025, Muslims are more than 6 million, close to 10% of the population. And by 2050, it is projected that Muslims could make up 12 to 14% of France. From the Grand Mosque of Paris to the new generation of French Muslims, Islam in France continues to grow with hope, dignity and peace. This shows how the light of Islam is spreading to every corner of the world. For more videos, please like this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.